Silence, please. Hello today and welcome for our new video. And our today's topic is cleaning your separating toilet. A very important topic because you want to have your toilet as clean as possible all the time. And you might wonder, what do I need? Do I need special stuff to clean my toilet? That is definitely not necessarily the case. You have different components in your separating toilet. The most important one is your separating unit. You can clean this unit definitely with a disinfecting solution like this. You can just spray it all over the surface and then clean it up with a soft tissue. That's enough. Also, what you could use is something like vinegar essence or citron essence. That's fine too. And we have a very special product which consists of microorganisms, which are very natural and not at all dangerous for the environment. So you clean the whole toilet in this part with those solutions. You can also clean your solids container with this if you take out the paper and then just clean the inside of this container. And the most important thing about the urine canister that you have to know is that you must avoid to put just plain water into it and to try to clean it with just water. The reason behind it is that your urine canister will start to stink intensely and it will not stop. So please do not use only water in your canister. You can definitely use a mixture of water and one of those cleaning solutions inside your canister, and then just push the canister around and empty it out. That's enough.